Alright, Pyros, I just wanted to give you a little update on some demos I plan on doing soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to have a badass Euro Salute comparison. Look at all these you got right here. Scream 100, you got the Scream 10S, Big Boy Cannon Cracker, Viper 12, Black Mamba, Titanium Salute, Super Cobra Ultimate 20, Super Cobra 6, Super Cobra 7, Cobra 8, Lil Joe, Gigant Maroon, Gladiator. You got some other small ones laying around here. I got a Jersey Bulldog. I'm going to demo one of these that I got loose from the collection. You see that? Packed with concrete. In the US of A. Just don't make them like that anymore. Some other old school M80 silver salutes. We got cherry bombs. Got a bigger one there. A little titanium cracker. You got a Dumb Bum Monster. Another Dumb Bum Maxi. Actone. Profi. Here's these shells. I pulled out one out of each sleeve to demo this Phoenix. You got your Bizarro. You got your John Wicks. I had another loose big fellas, and then I got some of the original OG Rambos. Some the old Corona Killer shells, Mendejo. So we can put all those together and check out these other shells. I've got these Space Huevos I'm getting ready to demo, along with the ammo dumps, the King Young Fang ball shells. I got a bunch of other ball shells. I might demo some old school ones. Got these Smurf nuts. Got the old school Mars rockets with the Pyro Wolf logo on them still. I got some of these balloon destroyers. They're a little bit different rocket, but we'll check those out too. Two of these bad boys from back in the day, so I got one to demo. Salute with Silver Tail. Don't see that anymore. The Influencer, Banana Surprise, Big Bully, Snakebite Young Fang. I don't remember if I've demoed one of those yet, the big match. And then I got the Regent, the French one, another Euro cake. Older badass flying colors with the universal wrap. I got this other 100 shot I might demo. And that little Girandola. Got Jose, can you see back there? I was going to demo that soon too. That box of Space Huevos. So stay tuned for the demos. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe.